10 years ago, a sweet little family bought their first home and moved in with their darling 10-month-old baby. The house was a brick rambler built in 1954, identical to 36 other homes in the neighborhood. Every time I went over to visit, I confess, I had to either look up the exact address or hope the children or the minivan were in front of the house. The houses are that indistinguishable. I'm sure you didn't click on this video to see a 1950s brick rambler. You want to see how this happened, or should I say, is currently happening. The house is supposed to be finished in a couple of weeks. This photograph was taken from this angle so the porta potty wouldn't block the house. It's just to the left of where the picture stops. Today's video will be about what the house looked like before, a good look at the old and new floor plans, and a walk through the construction site. For the next 6 months or so, we will be decorating and landscaping. The homeowner's style is a combination of craftsman and modern farmhouse with pops of color and an emphasis on organizing a big family. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see how we use antiques, repurposed and thrift store finds, and some actual new furniture to create a perfect home for this growing young family. The previous owners had left the house in immaculate condition and remodeled the kitchen and bathroom. The original house had 988 finished square feet with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Here is the floor plan. At the time the remodel began, the smallest bedroom was being used as an office because of COVID and work from home. Somewhere along the line, maybe the 60s, the basement was partially finished. When our little family moved in, there was a nice family room and a 3/4 bath downstairs. The remaining space was a laundry area and unfinished storage. On this floor plan, it looks like the family room has a wall dividing it in half, but that's on the floor plan just to indicate where the support beam was located. Our little family loved their new home. It had a good commute and access to everything they needed, even a long walking trail at the end of the street, perfect for strollers or a quick jog. About a year after moving in, the little family welcomed baby number 2. Then, a little bit later, baby number 3. And then, a little bit later, baby number 4. Although the bedrooms were small, there was room in the basement, right? Well, the problem with little ones is they don't want to play in the nice big family room in the basement. They want to play under mom and dad's feet when the older children are at their activities. Things were tight in their cozy, beloved home. Then COVID happened, and the family had to adapt. The small bedroom was turned into an office for Dad, and the 4 kids all slept in 1 bedroom and had school in the basement. And there were other problems with the floor plan. Getting everyone seated at the table for meals was like boarding a crowded plane. And one end of the narrow galley kitchen was the door used to go to the backyard. And the other end of the kitchen was how you reached the stairs to the basement. So meal prep was a difficult dance around active children. Now, a couple of pieces of the story have been left out. First, between baby number 3 and baby number 4, they actually considered moving, but the commute was excellent. And houses suitable for large families were difficult to find without either spending a fortune or moving out farther from the city. And the kids loved their school. And the neighborhood was wonderful with other young families and even a piano teacher down the street. So the move was delayed, and suddenly COVID made finding a house even more difficult. But then a young family moved in next door and popped the top on their house. See that tall white house on the left? It was an identical brick rambler. Now, all of South Arlington is ripe for remodels and expansions. In my little neighborhood alone, less than a mile from this family, we've had an average of 5 major remodels every year. So the homeowners decided to pop their top. Here is the new floor plan. The original sturdy brick structure became the base of the house. The doors and windows are in exactly the same spots. The area where the original 3 bedrooms and bathroom were located have now become a large living/dining area, not dinning. The wall to the right of the front door was eliminated as the design evolved. Then an addition was added to the back of the house for a family-sized kitchen. The old living room has become the dedicated office with stairs going up and down nearby. The old kitchen door is at the end of the vestibule with a powder room and a little recessed mudroom for the coming and going of the big family. A new door was added for accessing the new screened-in porch and the backyard. Another confession, I have a little screened porch envy and a little front porch envy. Very livable, sunny, open floor plan. Okay, here's upstairs. Hey, these are hardworking plans. Come on. Anyway, upstairs are the primary bedroom suite in the new bump out, and it also extends over the screened-in porch, and 3 kids' bedrooms along the front of the house, the laundry room at the end of the hall, and then a kids' bathroom by the stairs. The configuration in the kids' bathroom has changed a bit. And the basement still exists. For a variety of reasons, the configuration is different from this floor plan, but the elements are the same. A family room, a guest room, a gym, a full bath, and the utilities. Now ready to go inside the construction zone? Careful, don't trip over the saw. The living room and dining area with the kitchen in the back. To the left, where the old living room was, there's stairs going up and down. And this is the dedicated office where the old living room used to be. Now back to the new living room. The dining area. And that's the addition for the new kitchen. Now, down the hallway and out the new back door to the screened porch. I love the old-fashioned screen door. Now, back inside, you see the original door to the parking area. And this is the powder room. The tile is down, but not grouted. And that on the right, that's going to be the little mud area. The interior trim is almost finished and the walls are painted. And this floor will be hardwood at this level. Now up the stairs, the landing, there's a window above, but we didn't see that. And to the right, bedroom number 1, the smallest of the kids' bedrooms. Right next to it, bedroom number 2. Down the hallway here, bedroom number 3. The largest of the 3 kids' bedrooms. Really nice size. And here is the laundry room, large enough for the washer, dryer, and a sink. So it'll be quite nice. And back down the hallway, turning into the primary bedroom. Overlooks the backyard. This was the bump out over the porch and the kitchen. Here's a large walk-in closet. And here is the bathroom, 5-piece bathroom. The toilet will go in this space with a sliding door. Below the window will be a tub. It's a large shower and double sinks. Back into the bedroom, coffered ceiling. There's the tub. Lots of great windows. And then here to the right is the kids' bathroom. And there will just be one sink, but lots of good storage in there for the kids. And a separate toilet area. Now down to the basement. It's a bit of a mess down here because they just finished the tile in the bathroom and they are finishing up the last of the trim. This is the dark guest bedroom that still needs to have an egress window put in. Here is the new bathroom down here. That's the family room area. And this area back here will be a gym. This space has the original footprint, whereas the other 2 floors had additions, so it is a smaller space. The homeowners are really excited about moving in and getting it all fixed up, but with the holidays and another small complication, it might take a few weeks to really get rolling. There is another piece of the story. Baby number 5 is expected before Christmas. The sweet workmen have promised to get the house finished before the due date. This sunny open house is a perfect fit for the growing family. Join us in a few weeks for the most fun part, decorating. There will be lots of shopping since they are currently renting an identical rambler across the street. With no place to store anything, the next few months will be a bit of a challenge, but a fun one. And you know, the most creative solutions and the best stories begin with the biggest challenges. See you next time.